Rahim. The different Serene tube. Give thanks. Here. Do it, Jeff. Check it, take a fall. I love you. Did it, Jeff? Oh, round for a man. What up, Shekel Meshach? Rastafari, Naya Bingy in the building. Give thanks. And God bless the hood. Hands up. Don't shoot us. Sendidi, man. My man, Brother Kiyama, U.S. Sufi. Incredible brother, incredible teacher. He wrote this book. Compiled this together, some of Serene Tuber's prayers. Check him on the bomb. Google that. Anyway, it's called a Sendidi. I've been rocking a Sendidi for about a year now. And changed my life. But I mean, when I first started out, I really couldn't even get through the first line. I used to be like, your logbook be not done. And now I kind of be running through this joint. And I don't even be running through it. The Sendidi be running through me. I don't know how different melodies just come up out of wherever they want to come from. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through it. I will mess up sometimes because I'll be trying to show off and then but it did flip up, so I hit it like a dee at all, folks. Okay, so stay with me. Yallahu bin Mustafa, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, Allahu Sayyidina Muhammad, say Yallahu bin Mustafa Sandidi Yallahu Wabikalil Ibrahim Yallahu Wabikalamika Musa Salahin Kadrin Wasiwabin wa Ismail Yallahu Wabi Suleiman and Nuni Azaim was Zachariah Yahudi Yallahu Uni Usula Sima Dama Dawuda was Zakivli Usali Yallahu Why Yusufin wa Ishikin wa gave Himumi Abli Marusali Laka Yallahu Waba Meleki to with Tapasasin to Brila Tuma Bima Killer Yallahu Why Sabi Naviki Veleka that's all, folks. Hey, I put the disclaimer out there. Don't even try it. Now, why you say Wabi Ishikin wa gave him me Abi Marusali Laka Yallahu Wabi Meleki to with the Wasahit to change the Brila Tuma Bima Killer Yallahu Yay Wasahabi Nafki years of fella Kabi de Hawakaleki Israel Yallahu. See, I told you to Didi be doing me. I be coming up with melodies. This is coming right off the dome right now. Wabi Sahabiti Tuma Aliyah Ima Anwa Amilina Mina Abara Yallahu Wabi Sadiki Wabi Faruki Tuma busy do rainy Suma upsetani Yallahu Be Malakin Zimaya Shafi be any Fatina Mama Mudi Yallahu Bilahi Wakala Musi say Bilahi Wakala Mima Fusi Tuma Bi Ashiki Otiri Wabukasi Yallahu Yay Wabukarani Wabati Tuma Bima the Wuruja Abi Waru Yallahu Balasati Watis Limile Ilahu wa Ali Wasabas Waji was Yallahu Was Belana Elena Rabia for your time Wahabla Castafi the Rainy Yallahu Was Belana Elena Rabia for your time Wahabla Castafi the Rainy Yallahu Was Belana Elena Rabia for your time Wahabla Castafi the Rainy Yallahu Waftala Nako the Babin Kutifati who Lisala Hinmina Kiredi Yallahu Waftala Nako the Babin Kutifati who Lisala Hinmina Kiredi Yallahu Wala Queen Jerusalem Wakwina Zalana Ravelazine Washitani Yallahu Wakamila Kulamanahu Wanaxidu Wahabla Kulamanatari Yallahu Revelan Kulidi Sahabin Wahavini Wayaziran Kuliti the Siri Yallahu Tawalawa Amahi Salabana Wahabla Rasadefiki Yallahu Wadamira Kula Adanite de Rubina Kablisudilani Yallahu Yallahu Wadamira Kula Adanite de Rubina Kablisana Yallahu Yallahu Wakalani Azimin Kalamalakatin one is in him in Bala Yadara Yallahu Wakalani Azimin Kulamalakatin one is in him in Bala Yadara Yallahu Wafatina Imagusa Imihan and Zalatan Shide in Wafakiri Yallahu Ihale imala le ingala be imala bing mafakatina tashimu juhi yallahu wafedete wa harwa hakima baraki wa baraki masariki mikadi yallahu have my body never income dala le in regime gami yallahu wa hamati makata yadala tinzala le masi wa kaswi to makaswi yallahu wa gulate maduna ningilete maradin to butuna many wa nuxi yallahu yay wa bekabi hey do you to makiriti wa mefetu hima yallahu yallahu wa bekabi hey do you to makiriti wa mefetu lima yallahu whoa baki sarin tu ba whoa Yamanali Kuli Shain Kati wa Alashio Timi was to be Kiri Yallahu. And he said, I took a cup of Kashay Amutuwadi wa Amikatiri Nafi Yallahu. What a big tank we let Mammy Tirufi Yamaz to Tishluha Badini Yallahu. One Kamunizalana Mishivi, the Hasadi Mishery from Mishiva any Yallahu. Where Sherry Sherry Makaki Isi who Majini, what the Wadi Sami Yallahu. In Ija took a feed the rainy yet the Kadi Hinasimifaka Majay Yallahu. Fanatically enough if I like a Kumi Johnny Bunny had who's good low. Well, Hasani Wakabi take a Rekima Anida Mamani Yallahu. The Bikini Yafakabi Bailey wa Jerry Heduli Liki Bahaka Yellow. While the Jamata Bahati wa Mafe Imekuli Sharima Garbadeka Yellow. Wafa teach my hate to rule Father Kani Fikabli Lani Tubli Hani Dara Yellow. Wakanazi Via Nisi Hinema Dasi Fenu just before Su Wahid Danta Ma Yellow. Lata Mumana Imeka Yuri Week Beleak. Fiankula Ma Akshalu Yellow. That's Serene Sal, you easing in the building right there. Feel that peace and that calmness. That's Serene Sal, you right there. Ooh, Wanaji, Barki Serene Sal. Wanaji ni wajimiya Muslimi nama wanaji wale dade yamini Yallahu. Rock for lana waha watama iba na wa tough bini wa before holy Yallahu. Shek mortada. Anantaji wa yeah, na hama na fama la siwaka want to borrow Yallahu. Fiba zake men cumbering can another one's a rubber ko robema coffee naji Yallahu. Sheki brafa like ta beha la sabika derivati wala take over jikafika Yallahu. Wa asking Mahama ekatari monetary majami kaka Yallahu. Makana se yadota ke yuma yule kutafini masura masaka Yallahu. Muhammad the mefik awakakari yadina lejana tekori marahu. Lehi sali wasalin da ima anaba dawa makafuli yomadini Yallahu. Lay Sali Wasalin da ima anaba dawa makafuli yamadini Yallahu. Lay Sali Wasalin da ima anaba dawa makafuli yamadini Yallahu. May Allah forgive my mistakes. Know that they were just in sincerity. I'm really enjoying myself. God giving you praise. Sabana Rabiki Rabil Izadi Amayazifu. Wasalamun Allah Muslim wa hamdulillah Rabbi Alameen. Barki Serene Sayu, 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 Barki Serene Sayu.